School.
It's the joy. It's the joy.
Sip the juice, I got enough to go around, and the thought takes place uptown. I grew up on the sidewalk while on the street talk, and they taught to all New York. I go to Queens to get the food for Brooklyn. Been on in Manhattan and never been took it. Go uptown to the Bronx and we'll be down the strong on the island, the cool to lay around. Time to build my juice back up, pop stack up, suckers get smacked up, no doubt the clout. They know what I'm about, knocking niggas off, knocking niggas out, shaking them up, waking them up, breaking them up, breaking them up, standing on shake, ground too close to the edge. Let's see if I know the ledge. Back out 3 into the below. Let the niggas know. Cold hard chest made it snow. Tell this nigga low, I'll turn the bet to John Doe. Whoa.
Suuret tähed Friends Schooli poistele, see oli Circle of Fire. Nüüd aga järgmisena teie ees Bass Street ja esitajaks loomulikult